Hi guys, today we're gonna go on a little adventure. We are gonna go to some antique shops and look for some really cool home decor stuff on a budget. But first things first, we need coffee. So let's go get coffee. All right, we just reached Poston 4. It's here in Bonney, Lake, Washington. It's a really interesting coffee shop. I really love coming here. So we're just gonna get some coffee, maybe something to eat as well, and then we'll start on our little adventure. Could I get a 12-ounce white mocha hot?
What else for you?
And then a cheesy garlic chicken panini. Rob, R-A-V.
Paying with cash or card today, Rob?
Cash.
All right, so I will send that actually to your screen here. Thanks for your patience.
Just got coffee. It's always so good. This time too, they did not disappoint. Love it. We also got this sandwich here. They didn't have the one that I liked. I usually like the chicken one, but I am... Sorry, that was weird. But this time I'm gonna actually try the veggie hot sandwich. So I'm really excited to try it. I'm pretty sure it'll be good. Their food is always amazing as well. Next stop is going to be an antique store. I don't know which one. Let me look it up and I will update you soon. Oh my god. That sandwich was so delectable. We finished that off in like 2 minutes. Loved it. Highly, highly recommend. I finally figured out where to go. The first stop is Victoria Sells Antiques, and it's in Puyallup. It's 24 minutes from here, just 11 miles, so we'll reach there by 4 p.m. Oh my gosh, that is such a cool view of Mount Rainier. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but if you were here, you would love it too. Love, love, love Poston Poor's coffee. It tastes amazing all the time. There's a lot of stuff here. This store is huge, but unfortunately I haven't found anything that I want to get, but we'll keep looking. Look at those hearts. Didn't find anything there, but that's okay. We'll just try to go to the next one. It should be right around the corner here. But so just better luck next time, I guess. No luck at the second store either. I think we're probably just gonna go to a thrift store because not really liking the vibe there. I don't think that's my type of stuff. I tried it and didn't work out. That's okay. So probably just gonna go to a thrift store and see what we can find there. ended up getting a couple of books here. Didn't really like anything, but that's okay. That happens sometimes. This is cute. Oh, it's only like 10 bucks. Somebody put broken stuff in here. Let's see. I think I'm gonna get this one. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's such a steal. It's only like 6 bucks. Definitely gonna get that. I'm sure I'll find a place in the house to put this. Cool. It was a lovely day today. We finally just got out of Fred Meyer. We did actually find a few things that we did like, so we got them. Please be on the lookout for an office decor vlog, and that's gonna be the office for my husband. I'm trying to decorate his office as well, so be on the lookout for that. I will probably be styling those pieces in there. Other than that, it's a lovely evening. I'm just gonna go home, make some dinner, and enjoy the evening with my family. So if you liked my content, please subscribe, and if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. Until next time, bye!